Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today I'm here to give you a glimpse into the fascinating world of predictive maintenance, or PDM, and how it helps in effectively managing equipment failures. We'll be looking at different types of failure prediction models and how they play a crucial role in maintenance and reliability. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned to learn how these models can help you stay one step ahead of equipment failure, ensuring smoother operations and less downtime. Let's get started. In the world of maintenance and reliability, we all know that equipment failure can happen in countless ways. But with predictive maintenance, we're not trying to predict every possible failure. Instead, we're focusing on understanding the most likely failure modes of an asset and keeping a close eye on those conditions. And how do we do this? By using failure prediction models to get a handle on equipment failures and resolve them before they even happen. Let's dive right into the different types of models. First up, we have time-based models. A key example of this is the regression model. This model is like a fortune teller for your equipment, predicting the number of days, cycles, months, or products left before the system fails. It does this by collecting historical data and using it to analyze every machine failure. It then builds a model based on the timing of failures in relation to current maintenance practice. The result is a prediction for a date or specified time interval for failure. Next, we have models that focus on irregular behavior. These models are like detectives, spotting anomalous or non-normal behavior in an asset and using that behavior to predict failures. For instance, imagine a facility with a robot with a gripper arm that usually moves from point A to point B. But when the machine is nearing failure, the arm starts to take longer to move to point B, even freezing in place with the part in its grip. This irregular behavior is a telltale sign of an impending failure, and these models use such signs to diagnose how close the asset is to failure. Last but not least, we have survival models. These models are like risk assessors, asking, how does the failure risk of an asset change over time if we look at a certain amount of characteristics? So, if a facility is tracking various parameters about an asset, like heat, vibrations, and sound, a survival failure prediction model uses all of these factors to estimate how the potential for failure changes. While this model may not tell you exactly when an asset will fail, it will tell you how failure risk increases or decreases based on those characteristics. This way, you can monitor those specific parameters and assess for equipment failure. So there you have it. These are just a few examples of the failure prediction models used in predictive maintenance. By understanding and implementing these models, maintenance and operations teams can stay one step ahead of equipment failure, ensuring smoother operations and less downtime. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and useful. To recap, we've discussed the importance of predictive maintenance and how different failure prediction models can help you manage equipment failures more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insights into maintenance and reliability. And don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about our tools and resources. Until next time, stay ahead of equipment failure and keep your operations running smoothly.